Okay, guys, we are going to just go ahead and show you the answers. If you were struggling on anything, we'll just hopefully be able to clarify anything. So we're just going to go through the assignment with us. Okay, we want to know what are the possible outcomes. If I'm picking from these, well, one could be a chosen, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. It would not be possible to pick a 10 or a 38 if these were the tiles. So there are 9 possible outcomes in this experiment. Okay, check my answer. Looks great. Okay. Select the favorable outcome of choosing a 6. Well, there's only one 6. That's what I'm testing for. 6 is the only favorable outcome in this experiment. Looks good. Okay, if I want to choose an odd number, well, of these, the ones that are odd, 1 is an odd number. 3, 5, 7, 9, those would be my favorable outcomes. 2, 4, 6, and 8 would not be. They'd be unfavorable outcomes. Okay, check. Now a number greater than 5, the number is bigger than 5 in this. 5 would not work. 5 is not greater than 5. It's equal to 5. So 6, 7, 8, and 9. We'll check our answer. Check. A number less than 5. 5 also isn't less than 5. It's equal to 5. 1, 2, 3, and 4 would be the numbers that are less than 5. Oh, I didn't read carefully. It didn't just say less than 5. It said an odd number less than 5. So we're obviously going to go ahead and just use 1 and 3. So I was going too quickly, and I did not read the odd number less than 5. Check our answers. We are great. Okay, we're going to select the favorable outcomes of choosing the numbers that are less than 3. That would include 2 and 1. I'm going to be double checking that I read that carefully and it's not an odd or an even. Nope, it's all of them. And those would be the 2 that are less than 3, divisible by 3. There are 3 numbers that are divisible by 3. That means 3 goes into it evenly. 3 goes into 3, 6, and 9. So those would be my favorable outcomes. Check. Okay, now we're choosing a marble from the bag. Okay, and we want to know in how many different ways can I choose a blue marble? Well, I can choose 2. There are 2. That's this blue marble, and this blue marble would be the 2 ways. The favorable outcomes would be the blue marbles. Okay, so those would be 2. Now I'm going to choose the green marble. There's only one green marble, so choosing a green marble can only happen in one way. The favorable outcome of choosing a green marble would be the green marble. Check our answer. We're good. Purple marble, there's 2 of them. So just like the blue marbles, there are 2 ways to choose the purple, and the purple marble would represent the favorable outcome. Okay, now we're choosing yellow. There's only one yellow, just like there was only one green. So there's only one way that I can choose yellow. The favorable outcome is just the yellow marble. So we are good. Okay, we are choosing not red here. So we want to go ahead and find out if my favorable outcome is something that's not red. There is 1 not red, 2 not red, 3, 4, 5, 6 marbles that are not red. So there's 6 ways that I could get not red. Okay, so if now I want the favorable ones, well, green would be not red, yellow would be not red, blue would not be red, red we're not going to put there, and purple would not be red. Okay, we're going to check our answers. I'm not sure why it's giving me that X there. I have all the right answers here, so these would be the correct answers, even though they're showing that red X there for some reason. Okay, how many ways can not blue occur? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 not blue marbles. So I'm going to say 7 ways. The favorable outcome of not choosing blue would be, well, green is not blue, yellow is not blue, red is not blue, and purple is not blue. Check my answers. For some reason, it wants to give me that X, even though I got all the not blue ones. So if it's marking it wrong for you guys, it might be a glitch with the computer. So that is the correct answer. And now it says describe and correct the error. Here they say that choosing not purple can occur in 4 ways. And they're saying, oh, we can have red, blue, green, or yellow are the 4 ways. Well, that's not actually true, because there are actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different marbles that will work here. So the answer would be 7, and we have, these are my 4 possible answers. Check, and we are done. So even though they're counting that wrong, we are good to go for that one. Okay, so hopefully that helped. If you were struggling with those, to go